Hello everyone! This is me again, Mel Tablate, and welcome to my channel. Did you know that you can do your bank deposit or send money to any bank accounts at the comfort of your home or anywhere you are without falling in line or commuting, going to the bank? With just your mobile phone, you can actually do this now with the new feature from Gcash. So if you want to know the procedure, please stay tuned and I will go ahead and share this with you. Let's start. Log into your Gcash and click the send money icon, the second icon, and select send money to a bank account, and you will see the list of different banks available to deposit to. I guess there were 30 if I'm not mistaken. And then in this scenario, I've chosen BDO, and what you would just need to do is enter the amount you'd like to deposit. And by the way guys, this service is free as of now, and also the processing is real time, so meaning once you have processed this, it will automatically deposit the amount to the person's bank account or your bank account. So just enter the account name of the account you want to transfer to, and then of course the account number. So please make sure you have the correct account number. Now make sure as well that your account is verified with Gcash. If you do not know how to get your account verified, please comment down below and I will assist you. And then the other thing is that make sure that you have cashed in the amount. You can cash in via 7-Eleven or by linking your debit card accounts, and many other ways to cash in. So also, if you do not know how to cash in, please comment down below and I will go ahead and assist you. Here, please take time guys to review the details you have entered, making sure that the account number is correct and the account name is correct. And here you will just click confirm on the upper right of the screen to confirm the transaction. Here you will see a confirmation of the transaction that the money has been deposited. So it's an instant processing. You would also receive a text message confirming your transaction. And that's it guys. Hope this tutorial helped you. And if you do have any question, please comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching the entire video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click down below. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos every week. And also, if you want to watch more of my videos, click here. Thank you guys!